Hey everybody, it's William here with King's Technology Hub. Just wanted to make a really quick video for a lot of my clients of mine, just make sure they know how to do this simple stuff. So if you ever want to change Chrome to your default browser or whatever you have, Mozilla Firefox or what you may have, you can click Default Apps by searching that in here. Default Apps. And then you'll go down to Chrome or whatever browser, like you could do Firefox for instance. And you see I have all of them mine for Chrome. You would just go ahead and click on that and choose the browser of your choice and then click set default, and you might have to go through for some of them and still change them from Microsoft Edge individually even after pressing set default here. So that's just a quick simple video. Wanted to have that here so people could know how. Again, another way you could do it is go into your settings, which might be easier for some people. We're going to go into apps, default apps, and again you can search for the app here, Chrome, go into it, set default, but again some of these you might have to change. So that's just a quick little simple video for somebody that might want to make Chrome their browser of choice and just having a hard time. So thanks for watching, and you guys have a good one.